Hi everyone, welcome back to Jumi's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I make my indigenous ogbono soup. Let's get right into it. Okay, so these are my ingredients. Of course, I have my ogbono, grinded ogbono seed, my ugu leaf, my stock water, my cow skin known as ponmo. Then I have my Cameroon pepper. Also, I have my scotch bonnet with onion. It's been grated together. Then I have my palm oil, my ogiri okpei, the wet one. Then my crayfish, my seasoning cube and salt. Then my boiled meat and stock fish. So you can as well use raw meat. Just boil it so well. So come with me as I show you the special way I make my ogbono soup. You're gonna love it. Okay. So the first thing I usually do is add hot water to my stock fish and salt to make it soft before I actually use it. Then the next thing I do is put my pots, prepare my pot, dry pot, then add my palm oil, allow it to steam up a bit, then add some part of the palm oil into the grinded ogbono soup, ogbono seed. Mix it well so it dissolves. Then place it aside for later use. At this point, just add your stock water, add it into it, let it boil a little. Add some water, add your stock fish, your cow skin, and even your meat. This will allow every of the ingredients to get right into your protein, so make sure you add everything inside of it. That's why when you're boiling your meat, don't boil it 100%. 80% is fine. Then add your Cameroon pepper, the scotch bonnet with onion, add it and stir together. Add your crayfish, seasoning cube, as well as salt to taste. Stir to combine. Then at this point you can taste it. If you're good with the taste, then you can carry on. If not, add some extra seasoning cube. Then add your ogiri okpei and stir it together properly. Now it's boiling. Add your dissolved ogbono seed, dissolved grinded ogbono seed. And at this point, this is the point I like so well. I get to stir and stir and stir my ogbono. I'm looking forward to this part. Start stirring it. Stir, stir, stir. The reason you have to stir at this point is that it makes every protein that you've added and your ogbono to integrate into each other. So the sauce is not standing at one point and your ogbono is sitting at the other point. So you have to stir and stir properly. I've usually heard that the longer you allow your ogbono to cook, the tastier it will be. It's true. It's really, really true. So leave it to cook longer than usual. You'll see that you would have this lovely taste. And with your ogiri okpei, I bet you will love it. Now at this point, my ogbono is almost ready. Then I'm adding my ugu. I really don't like too much vegetable in my ogbono. Some people do, so you can just add the vegetable according to your taste, the way you like it. I like it little. So at this point, I just stir together, stir, stir, stir. And my ogbono is looking beautiful already. I can't wait to have this. I can't wait to have this. I really can't wait to eat this. Just look at it. Look at it. Looking so lovely. ogbono is ready. This is the special way I make my ogbono. You should try it today. You would really love it, and it will taste better. If you haven't been trying ogiri okpei in your ogbono, you should try it today. So I'm having my ogbono with eba. I hope you'll be trying out this recipe. If you love it, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!